Good morning, Tagas.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, Tagas. Okay, Tagas, do you have a red pen?
Yes, I do.
Please give me once. Thank you, Tagas. Okay, Tagas, grandfather and grandmother are?
Grandparents.
Grandparents, amazing, Tagas. Father and mother are?
Parents.
Parents, great, Tagas. Okay, Tagas, daughter and son are?
Children.
Children, amazing, you nailed it, Tagas. Okay, Tagas, husband and wife are?
Spouses.
Spouses, great, Tagas. I appreciate you, really, Tagas. Okay, Tagas, niece and nephew are?
Nibelingis.
Nibelingis, amazing, Tagas. Okay, Tagas, the last question, uncle and aunt are?
Nibelingis.
Nibelingis, amazing, Tagas. You nailed it. I appreciate you, really, Tagas. Okay, Tagas, are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too.
Students,
Yes, teacher.
clap your hands. Excellent, Tagas, excellent.
Tagas.
Back. You did it.